We chose EcoFlow because Spark pride ourselves on offering the best available products in the market, installed in a great way with a fair price to the customer. There's so many products out there that are just a product for now and not a product for the future. And I think in EcoFlow, we found a real meeting of the minds. We found a company that has a shared vision, that they want to sell customers products that will last them for a lifetime.
The reason that we went with EcoFlow and their product range is for two main reasons. The kit itself comes with a industry-leading 15-year warranty. From an installer's point of view, the product's fantastic. It's quick, it's easy. The commissioning time, which is one of the main things which slows installers down, with EcoFlow, it's only just a matter of minutes from when you've installed the system itself to point of completion with the customer.
So with EcoFlow, we're really happy with all the aspects, from the speed of delivery of the product to the ease of the installation on the customer's properties. We were blown away, to be fair, with the commissioning process, taking literally minutes, when previously, when we've done this, it could take a chunk of the day to complete. It means that we're quicker and we're more efficient with our installation process, which can only help the customer at the end of the day. It's saving us hours of time on installation.
From an installer's point of view, no one can underestimate the channels of support that an installer needs from a manufacturer if things were to go wrong, or just those everyday questions that crop up with customers that you then need support from. And the EcoFlow team, Craig, Ryan, Carmen, Ben, Miles even, they're all fantastic at providing that 24/7 support, not only to our customers via the Power Insight tablet, but also to my back office staff and helping with the installers actually on site.
We've had customers say that the first thing they check when they get back into the house is the Power Insights tablet. How much have I produced today? Where's it gone? How much have I saved? It really sort of underlines the fact that they can't see the solar on the roof. It's kind of out of sight, out of mind, but the Power Insights tablet sort of centers customers, and they remember that it's there. They remember why they've installed solar and battery in the first place, because the Power Insights tablet is constantly feeding back to them what it is that they're producing. And they love that control and that reporting. It really makes it feel part of the home. They can also expand the system over time by adding batteries easily onto the stack.
Well, we can reinforce the fact that the kit is IP65 rated. It's available for all different types of weather conditions. Inside, the technology has automatic heating, so if it's too hot outside, the batteries, they cool themselves down. If it's too cold outside, they automatically heat themselves up. Our industry is always ever changing as well, so we have lots of different wiring regulations. They're always ever evolving and changing. However, with the new PAD 63100 compliance, which has just come out, EcoFlow was already compliant with this, with the automatic fire suppression modules built inside every battery, which is a huge peace of mind to our customers, and one of the reasons why they're built to last.
They also love the 15-year warranties, and the fact that it can be kept inside or outside with the IP65 rating makes it an incredibly flexible product.
It's very easy to use. It looks very good outside. People ask me what it is and what it does, and I take great delight in explaining it all to them. The tablet's great. You walk into the room, you can see what you've generated. You can drill down into the screen and look at more detail on what you've got from the grid, what you're using from solar, what you're using from battery, and it gives you loads and loads of detail. I definitely recommend EcoFlow Power Ocean System to a friend. I would. It's very, very good.